Today we're unboxing the Moultrie Mobile Edge cellular trail cameras. This is the double pack right here. And what I like about this is that these work on a cellular signal and are completely battery powered, which means they can send any photos they take directly to an app on your phone. And then you're going to be able to view those footage in real time or photos in real time without having to go check your cameras in the field, which is really a great benefit, at least in my mind. So let's open this up, see what we've got inside here on the two-pack and how these kind of operate and look. So it comes with two cameras, this particular package here. And then when we pull it out, I gotta, I think, remove this whole thing here. We remove this whole thing, and then you've got your straps in here. So straps, some instructions, and then you've got the camera right here itself. It looks like they've got an antenna. That flips up, that's for that cellular signal. And then we open up here, it looks like we've got some information here. You're on, off, connected, connecting, connect. And close that down, so that's where you can control it. You've got, it looks like, some IR strobes here so that you can see at night when you're taking a picture. And then you've got your motion detector in your camera lens there. On the bottom here, looks like we've got a mount so that we could screw it on to a mount if we wanted to. You've got 12 volt DC external power if you wanted, but these also do take batteries, just regular AA batteries, so that is how they are primarily powered. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the Moultrie Edge double cell camera, and hope you enjoyed it.